Hi everybody, it's PJ with Artsyseawitch. I have another journal here, a junk journal completed. This one's called Birds, Bees, and Butterflies. And it's got a fabric cover. It's tied together with some jute. So let's undo that real quick. Some jute twine that I have here. All right. It's got 5 signatures, and here's the back. And this is very chunky. All right, let's take a look and get started and see what all is in this fun one here. All right, so first page I have here, so that you can, a signature on the first page here, you could put your name of who this book belongs to. Got some really nice pages in here. Lots of writing spaces. As you know, that I always like to leave lots of writing places. Got a couple of tags. And of course on the back is writing place. And here's another. Small writing spaces on the back. Fun papers. Another tag. Make sure you can see that. Some writing places. There we go. A rose with a bumblebee on there. And here's a card. It's an altered playing card. Sorry, I didn't mean to be out of the picture there. And I got some tea-dyed doily. And some tea-dyed papers here. Another tag. This one's got an owl on it. And again, it's got plenty of spaces to write. And this got a little lace tag at the top of pull tab at the top. Some more, a couple little tags here. So you're going to see lots of flowers and birds, and of course the bees, butterflies. This one is, I just had so much fun making this one and all these little tags that I made for it. And there's another tag. And this is another altered playing card. Oh, that tag there wanted to come off. Let me put that, fix that right now. Looks like my stapling wasn't the best there. There we go. Got that fixed. Okay. We got some graph paper in here. Oh, that's the center. Alright. I did 3 little, it looks like little envelopes. And I made them into pockets instead. So I've got a little one down here. Ooh, this thing is chunky. It's got a little bird tag. Of course, space on the back of it to write. Okay. On the second one here, another little tag with a little butterfly. And 2 more of them. And on the top we have another altered playing card. And a couple more little tags. Again, I made a lot of tags in this one too. More writing space. All right, again, another pocket. Get this up here where you can see it. Really cool butterflies. Some print out of a book. Here's a fun little bee tag. And another. And I put some little bling bling on here as well. I don't know if you can see that very well. You see the little bling bling? Yep. All right, some more tea dyed paper. Another tea dyed doily. Another pocket with, of course, some more playing card, altered playing card. Some bling blings. And some more little tags. I got a envelope here that I turned into a pocket. It's got a sticky Velcro dot on there. And inside, that you can see in the window, is a nice big tag. And when you slide it in here, you can see the design. Here's some more writing space. Another pocket with some more tags. Cute little, some more lace on there. All right, this one here, we have a belly band, and I made a little booklet. So I put a nice big jewel on top of that lace, as well as on this, a little booklet here, just of some papers. So sorry, that's my dog. Sorry about that, my dogs are barking. I got 4 chihuahuas, so I apologize. Anything moves outside, how dare it, they're going to bark. Anyway, so I have a little pamphlet here that I put some pretty papers, and on the back, of course, you can write, or you can put stickers on them, whatever it is that you like to do with it. It slides there. I have a hidden paper clip, and I just tucked in a, excuse me. All right, let's see here, another pocket. I'm sorry, another tag. Sorry, the dogs have kind of thrown me off with their barking. Hidden paper clip. I just tucked this in there. And on this side here, it's another, this is a card. Big writing space back there. Another doily. Just graph paper, another hidden paper clip with an altered playing card. There we go. And on the other side, another nice big tag and a card. There we go. I made another little envelope here, and in the envelope I have some goodies. Of course, some little tags and some little cards, and another altered playing card. It's a good place to tuck anything else that you'd like to put in here. Maybe tickets from a movie night, bingo tickets, even stickers that you might want to put in later, anything at all. Another pocket, so we've got a nice big card that I made here. Okay. Another hidden paper clip with a nice big card. On the other side, we got a tag. Some dyed paper and some writing space here. Another nice big card and another altered playing card. Another paper clip, another tag. Another nice big card. I really enjoyed making these big cards. I should do more of those. Here's a nice skinny pocket for this tag. I thought that was a pretty tag. Some pretty papers. I keep sliding out the seam here, don't I? Another altered playing card with a hidden paper clip and some bling bling. Another tag on this side. It's a pretty, and this has a interesting feel to it. It's really pretty paper. And another tag. Another cute pocket with some tags in here, with some bees and some butterflies. And here's the middle of this signature. Another pretty tag with lavender sticker on there. Another pretty tag. It feels like I keep saying the same thing over and over again, but that's basically what this one is. There's a lot of tags and cards and papers for writing. And then we're on to, what, the fourth signature. A lot of these graphics that I got here, these pictures, were freebies that you could get online from different people that make these tags. There's such a mix of them that I can't list everybody. I know that I get some from Scrapbooking with Me, Artsy Fartsy Life, just a mess of them. Also, you can go over to Ko-fi, Ko-fi, and I'm listed there as well. I got stuff listed there as well, and you can find a lot of you know, images and stuff that you can download, and some that you pay for, some that are free. So you're just gonna look around. I really should keep a better listing of who it is that I'm getting from, so that I can remember to list it below. I feel so bad about that. I'll look it up and list as many people below as if I can remember. Some of it too is just out of my paper packs that I have. So here we have a belly band, and I made another little booklet of papers that you can use throughout if you like, or you can write on the back of them as well, whatever you want to do with them. But it's just a little booklet that you slide in here and gives you some scrap papers to use. And some more papers for writing, some tea-dyed papers, and of course more pockets. Another belly band with another nice big card and a tag. And I just paper clipped it there so that they didn't keep sliding around. There we go. And we're on to the last signature. And the same basically as a tag, and here's a altered playing card. Really like doing these too. This is fun. And what I had colored or covered it in is actually some tissue paper that I had. Or, I'm sorry, not tissue paper, but paper napkins. That's what I used. And then, of course, layered on top of it. Some more. These are two separate little pockets. They look like file folders. And there's a pocket here in between, obviously the file. And then there's a pocket behind it. And another pocket up here. Oops, I'm losing it. So you got, what, 3? And I think there's another pocket behind this one, maybe? No, I didn't put in another one there. So we've got 3 pockets there. Lots of pretty papers. Some more tags. Some more writing spaces. There we go, more writing space. And we got us another belly band, another writing or altered playing card, and another tag that I clipped on there just to make sure that it didn't fall out. So it's just a pretty colored, oops, paper clip that I added there. Okay, get you back over in here so you can see. And another pocket with a couple more tags. More writing space. Alright, and here on the last page, I have another one of these little booklets that I made, and this here's just got plain papers in it so that you can write in there. Let me slide that back in there, another tag. And here on the back, you have a nice little envelope, big bling bling, and it's got a Velcro sticky pack and some more nice big tag and some other little goodies that I put in there. Some more tags and cards. Nice place to just put more stuff. You can hide away notes, messages, etc. Alright, and there you go. And then it just, I tied it all up because this thing is seriously chunky. Alright, I will list it down below. You can find this in my Etsy shop at Artsyseawitch, as well as my coffee shop, KO-FI. And I will have the measurements down for it, and then I'll list names of anybody that I can remember who I found some of these graphics from. Okay? Alright, so thank you again so much for watching me. Can't even speak again. Excuse me. Don't forget to hit and like and subscribe. That helps my channel keep growing, and I'm going to try to be more consistent about listing some videos. All right, thank you. Have a great day. Bye.